Crafts. My name is Zena, and today I'm going to be doing a French braid bracelet tutorial video, and I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this kind of bracelet and actually show you guys this kit. So I have this huge kit. It comes with a bunch of colors. I don't know how many because I haven't counted actually. It comes with like 500 S-clips and like 3 or 5 of these chains. I think I forgot. There's one right here. Where'd it go? One right there. So yeah, one right here. I think there's 3. And it comes with a bunch of colors, clear with glitter colors, 2 colors. These are actually glow-in-the-dark colors. I really love that. And today I'm going to be making a French braid bracelet. So I really love that kind of bracelet, and I'm going to be making it today. The only thing that you will need for this video is your colors, well, however many you want and what colors you want, and an S-clip. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. It's an S-clip. And your 2 fingers or whatever you want to use. So I have made a bunch of these bracelets, and I do not know what 2 colors to choose this time. I'm actually gonna let my little brother choose for me. Hi, Sikander.
Hi, my name is Sikander, so I'm going to choose colors. I want this orange and this blue.
Really?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, that's those. I don't know how that's gonna turn out because I've never made a bracelet with those 2 colors, and I'm super excited to make a bracelet, and you guys can choose any color you want, right?
Yeah.
So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my colors laid out. I have my orange colors over here, very bright, and my blue colors over here, and my little S-clip over there. You guys can see that. It's clear, so I don't know if you can see it. But I'm going to start off with taking my orange color. I'm going to kind of move this over, move that over. Okay, so I'm going to take my orange color, put it on my fingers, crisscross it, and it's going to look like that. And then I'm going to take my blue color, put it over, kind of pull it down, take my orange color, put it over, and I just put these 2 colors normally. Then I'm going to flip the bottom orange color, so it's going to look like this. This is just the first step. And then I'm going to take another blue color, because I'm alternating 2 colors. So now I'm going to flip this blue color at the bottom, on my right side, and then I'm going to look at my left side, and the only one color I see is the orange color, and it's in the middle, so I'm going to flip that color, and it's going to kind of look like this, a bit weird. But then I'm going to add another orange, and now I'm going to look on this side, on my left side, and I see I'm going to flip the bottom blue, and then I look at this side and I look at it and I see, okay, so I flipped one blue on this side, so I have to flip another blue on this side, and the only blue that I can find is in the middle, so I'm just going to flip that blue. And we're going to bring it down, and I'm going to add another blue since I flipped a blue. And now I'm going to look at my right side again and flip my bottom color, which is orange, and I'm going to look at this side, and since I flipped to orange color, I'm going to say, oh, where's the orange color? So I find it, and it's in the middle, and I'm going to flip that. And then pull it down a little bit. Since I flipped an orange, I'm going to add an orange. And now I'm going to look at my left side, and I'm going to say, oh, which one's at the bottom, and it's the blue one. I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to look at this side, and since I flipped the blue one, I'm going to flip a blue one here, and it's in the middle, and I'm going to flip that. And you're just going to be using this pattern throughout the whole bracelet, and you're going to get a beautiful bracelet. And I'll show you guys how it's going to look in the end. So as you guys can see, I've been doing this for a little while now, and that's how it looks like so far. I actually really like it, and I'll just continue this and I'll show you guys the final results. So guys, I have just done this for quite a while now, and it's very long. I really like it, and since there's 2 more colors left, I mean 2 more like that, then I'm just gonna flip the bottom ones like a regular bracelet, pull it. Where's my S clip? Oh, found it. It's so clear, like I can't even see it. Put it through my S clip, and I'm good to go. No, I'm not good to go yet. I have to clip the other side. Oh no, it's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. We clipped it. So that's how it looks like. And I really like it. So I'm not gonna actually wear this. It's for my little brother, because since he chose the colors. Scanner, do you want this?
Yes.
Put it on and see if it fits you.
Yes, it does.
Oh, it fits you.
100%.
This is how it looks on his hand. It looks so good. You like it?
Yeah. And there's the S clip.
Yeah, I'm glad he likes it. So thanks guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Share this video with each person that you see in your home right now. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!